Let's begin with a lip scrub. Begin with smashing half a boiled beetroot into a thick puree. Then add a teaspoon of honey and a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it all up and gently massage your lips for a minute or two. Rinse off with warm water and voila! Say hello to those well-exfoliated, pout-worthy lips. We love our good old vitamin C, rich in antioxidants and helps to brighten dark spots. You can dab a few drops of your favorite vitamin C serum onto your lips at bedtime. And remember to protect it with an SPF-infused lip balm the next day. Or if you're unsure about that, you can make your own lip mask with some orange peel powder and raw milk. Add a teaspoon of both to make a thick paste. And slather it onto your lips. Wash off in 10 minutes and remember to moisturize. And finally, for some extra lovin', if you're one for those bougie lip masks, then definitely help yourself to those once a week. But we are DIY queens here, so you can make your very own lip mask. All you need is your crafty hat and cut some cotton pads into lip-shaped masks. Next, get your hands on some almond oil and a few strands of saffron and blend it together. Soak your cotton pads in the mix and place it on your lips for about 10 to 12 minutes. And restore your lips' natural beauty. But prevention is always better than cure. So here are a list of few things that you can keep in mind to avoid lip pigmentation. I promise it's just a few things. First up, we have excessive sun exposure. So it's always important to shield your smackers from those harmful UV rays with SPF-infused lip balms. Next up, we have smoking and excess caffeine. That's because smoking not only affects our health, but has grave effects on our skin and casts a dark spell on our lips. And finally, serious dryness, dehydration, and a lack of vitamin B12 leads to, you guessed it, dark lips. And remember to be patient and consistent because results take time. But don't forget to let your smile always shine through. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.